What's up YouTube? Silver Dragons here, and in this video I'm talking about the Great Britain gold sovereign coins and why these are actually great for stacking. So let's do it! Thank you so much for watching my video. I sincerely appreciate it. If you want to learn more about investing in precious metals, or if you just want to watch awesome videos about gold and silver, then subscribe to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm talking about the Great Britain gold sovereign coins, or the British gold sovereigns. I recently picked this one up. I got a great deal on it. I actually bought it at spot, which is awesome. We're going to talk about that. So in the video, I want to cover gold sovereigns. I don't want to touch on the numismatic side of these coins. They've been around for quite a long time. I just want to talk about the stacking side. So if you're buying precious metals like gold and silver to retain your wealth as sort of a savings account and a hedge against inflation, then this is the video for you. So let's dive into these. I will give you some information about the gold sovereigns. They are really cool. But before I do that, I do have to say I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just another dude here on YouTube. So take this video for what it is. But I did recently purchase a capsule. So I'm going to throw this in a capsule here. This is a black ring capsule. If you wanted to know, it is 22 millimeter. So there you go. These are the same black ring capsule that you would use for the 1/4 ounce eagles. So let's get that in there. And the reason I like to encapsulate my gold and my silver, well, specifically this piece here, why I'm putting it in a capsule. First off, it just makes the piece a little bit bigger, so it's easier to handle, and also harder to lose, all that good stuff. But also, I do like the look of them in capsules. I'm not worried about damaging the coin by holding it because it's 22 karat. But I would prefer to have it in a capsule just for the peace of mind that it is protected and whatnot. So anyway, let's talk about gold sovereigns for stacking. So these come from the United Kingdom. They were originally made in 1817, so they've been out for over 200 years. They were made for circulation. They did have a face value of £1 sterling. Now they're just made for bullion coins. They're still actually making these today in Great Britain, so that's very cool, but they're not for circulation anymore. They're just for stacking and bullion, obviously. So they are made till present. Each one has 0.2354 troy ounces of gold in it. So this is a little bit less than a 1/4 ounce of gold. It's actually just under 8 grams, so 7.98 grams is the weight in gold. Now this is 22 karat gold, or if you want to break it down into a decimal, it's 0.917 gold and 0.083 copper, or some other base metal. It's most likely copper. Probably all the new ones are copper. Probably some of the old ones might have some other metals in them as well. But the reason they make them 22 karat was because these were for circulation, and you can't have pure gold coins in circulation or they will be damaged, etc. So there have been tons of people on the obverse of the sovereigns, and the reverse has had a ton of different designs as well. There was King George, Victoria, and Elizabeth. Obviously this one, there's way too many to put them all in one video, and that's not really what this video is about anyway. I want to talk about the stacking side for these. Okay, so like I mentioned, I bought this at spot, which is a good deal. Anytime you can buy gold at spot, especially fractional gold, it is a good deal. Now, the sovereigns, if you're wondering, are a little bit smaller than the $5 Indians. So if you collect pre-33 US gold, these are a little bit smaller than those. Those are 0.24187 troy ounces. That's for the $5 Indians. And these British gold sovereigns, like I said, are 0.2354. So a little bit less gold in these. But anyway, I just wanted to do that quick comparison so you know they're a little bit smaller. Like I said, they're less than a 1/4 ounce. So when you're doing the math to buy one of these, you want to actually just use the fraction 2354, and then go off of spot and see how close you are to spot, over, under when you're purchasing. Now, I did go to my local coin shop and ask them how much they're charging for these. They are selling them right now for $16 over spot, so not bad really when you're talking about a quarter ounce or almost a quarter ounce of gold, which would bring you to about 60, I guess it would be $64 over spot if you were to buy 4 of these, which would be just under an ounce. So that's not too bad of a premium, like I said, for fractional gold coins. But how much do they buy them back for is a question I was wondering. So if I went to go sell this to my local coin shop, how much would they pay me? And they offered to buy it for $14 under spot. So they're buying them back under spot, not too much under spot though, and they're selling them for a little over spot. So that's actually pretty common with gold bullion coins. And to be honest, that's a better deal than if I were to buy Eagles. So currently that same shop is buying quarter ounce Eagles for 12 under spot. So they'll give me $2 more as far as the premium goes for a quarter Eagle, and then obviously it's more gold, so it would be a little bit more in that regard as well. However, the same shop is selling 1/4 ounce American Gold Eagles for $34 over spot. How outrageous is that? So why would I buy a gold Eagle for $34 over spot when I could buy one of these British gold sovereigns for only $16 over spot? And then they give me about the same back when I sell it to them. So as far as stacking goes, these are actually a great option. So I would say for you, you should check with your local coin shop, your local bullion dealers. Ask about sovereigns. If you live here in the United States like I do, or if you live over across the pond in Europe, then these are probably a great option as well. I think they're very popular. There's been literally millions and millions of these made, so they're very plentiful. Pretty much everyone knows about them. Gold dealers, coin shops, people know about the sovereigns, so they're bought and sold quite a bit. I would say they are fairly liquid as well. So these, I think, can be an awesome option for stacking gold. I will probably pick up some more of these in the future. I do like the look of them. I think they're pretty sweet. However, I do like the look of the gold Eagles as well. So if I can buy some American Gold Eagles for fairly cheap, then I'll probably do that. And the thing I do want to bring up too is that if you're buying gold Eagles, you should probably just save up and buy a full ounce, because the premium will be much lower on a 1 ounce American Gold Eagle, especially when you put it side by side with this sovereign. So if you're getting quarter ounce gold Eagles, then obviously don't. This would be a better option, unless you can get the premium really low. But probably all that stuff is a topic for another video, comparing different pieces of gold side by side. I would say for this gold sovereign, in my opinion, it is a good thing to be stacking as far as gold goes. It is 22 karat. It is beautiful, and they are quite liquid as well. So anyway, those are my thoughts on the British gold sovereign. If there's anything I missed or anything you'd like to add, definitely leave a comment down below. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next one. Silver Dragons out.